Hey everyone, it's Mark Ling here, and I'm about to share with you exactly how to build a profitable affiliate website in 3 hours or less. And I'm going to teach you all of this for free. I'm doing this as a bit of an experiment to see if people will actually take action with what they learn, even when they haven't necessarily had to pay for the training, because quite often I find that people who are my paid members take more action than those who are than those who receive free information. But for me, I'm going to gain a few affiliates. I realize some of you guys might end up promoting some of my stuff. And the other side of things is that I'm going to gain, hopefully, a lot of you guys may end up deciding to buy my paid training in future if you do well with this free training here. So this is how to build a site. Like, here's the example. Here's an example site here. You're going to be building a site like this. Some of you guys are going to get it all done in less than 90 minutes. Okay, I'm saying 3 hours. That's probably the maximum amount of time it'll take. So most of you are going to get that done in the course of, say, a week, maybe in the course of even a day. You're going to have time to put 3 hours in or less to build one of these affiliate sites that's then ready to make a lot of money. Don't worry, you don't have to write any of the content, or at least not much of it. This sort of content here, we give it to you. It's already there, these articles and so forth, okay? And even a plugin that generates landing pages like this one here, you're going to get that for free, so that you can run paid traffic if you wish to, or even drive free traffic through other methods, but generally most of you are going to succeed with paid traffic. You can run paid traffic to pages like this that then earn you high commissions on sales from people that click through to the offer that's promoted, and you are the affiliate, okay? So we'll show you how to build all of this and more. Doesn't actually take you anywhere near as long as you may think. And it's newbie proofed, so you can be starting from scratch with this particular training. So I'm challenging you to see if you can build one of these types of websites that are there to make profits. In the next 3 hours or less, you're going to learn how to make the site itself. I'm going to add more training later on driving traffic. So you're going to learn how to make the site and make the Facebook page. Then I can teach you guys how to drive traffic. There are many different methods, whether it be Facebook traffic, YouTube traffic, solo ads, and more. But you need to have a vehicle from which to make the money from. I make millions of dollars per year I've made from various affiliate promotions and so forth, and I want that for you also. So you're going to discover all of this and more in this particular training. I hope that you're really, really excited about it. The other thing is that if you decide to affiliate to my products, and by the way, you can use this training and then go away and affiliate to someone else's stuff, that's up to you. But if you do affiliate to some of my programs and products, then I am starting up a brand new Facebook group for that. You will find out all about that and how to get on it within these training videos themselves. So if you're really keen to get involved in that, then start going through this training. You know, I'm not just looking for any old person to be part of that private group. I want people that actually take an action and doing stuff, and who know, you know, what I'm talking about when we refer to different things that happen to have been in the videos. So anyway, if you're excited and really keen to be able to work from home, earn a solid income from home, and be an affiliate, which means you don't have to own any products of your own, no inventory, nothing. You just earn commissions promoting other people's stuff. Then this is probably the best free training that you could ever find anywhere on the internet. So anyway, get to it. It's available right now. You can just get underway with the first video. All right, I'll see you in it. Bye for now.